Hey y'all, welcome back to the DG Outdoors channel. Today's video, guys, it is early. It's like 4:30 in the morning. I can't sleep anymore, so I figured I'd knock out this review for today. Today's video, we're doing a review on both of the rangefinders I have. And the reason I have two is because the one I'm about ready to show you, at one point I lost and couldn't find it. It actually got packed up in a tote and a hunting vest that I was using. Hence the one I found yesterday. So I have the orange one. So I had to buy another one, and neither one of these were expensive, and you can find them on eBay for 50 bucks. The first one I have is the Simmons LRF600 laser rangefinder. Okay, I've had this for a couple of years. The one thing it doesn't come with is this lanyard. The person I bought it off of eBay actually tied this on, so it's pretty neat. It's got what they call tilt intelligence. You guys can see it right there, right underneath the Simmons logo. I really like this. It's got a range of 600 yards, which is really nice. I mean, I'll never shoot anything at 600 yards, but if you need to know where an animal is at 600 yards, it'll tell you. It's pretty nice. It's got one button operation. The button's right here on top. Okay, you press it once, it turns it on. You press it again, it tells me that I'm at 7 yards to the door. Okay, and that there is a 7 THD. Now, what the THD means, I actually have no idea. It also has a little battery display in there. If you guys can see in there, will it show you now? Okay, let me redo this and see. There we go. See if you guys can see that in there, what I'm looking at, but maybe not. Probably not. I did my best to show you guys. But it'll show a little black square on the inside, and then it'll give you the yardage, and then right underneath that it'll say, I think, the tilt, but then it'll say your battery right there on the side, which just has got a full battery. Okay, and there's a reason why I like this one better than the other one I'm going to show you guys, because it's actually a pretty big deal. But let's show you guys the other one that I have. Okay, again, comes with this nice little soft carrying case with a belt loop. All right, and stuff like that. One thing I was noticing though when I went like this by accident, which you can't do, you got to hold it like this, because I was covering this up and then it wouldn't range. So I've had this ranged out to 109 yards, and that's how far across my mom and dad's field is, from the start of the field to where the tall grass is, all the way to the back to the wood line. Okay, the next one I have is the Halo XL450. This is actually, it's a decent rangefinder in my opinion. So I paid $49 for this on eBay. It comes with its own battery that goes right here. The problem is, guys, is the battery that it has, and I'm not going to pull out, is only about that long, and it's not a standard battery. Okay, I'd have to order this battery on Amazon, and I can't remember which battery it is. It's got a spot right here for a lanyard. Okay, but you click it. Okay, it'll tell me that there's an angle of 4 degrees and that we're at 7 yards, and the angle now changed to 0. So I must not be holding this thing very, very straight. The one thing that I like about this is this right here. Okay, this right here actually turns, and that focuses your rangefinder in and out. So this has a max yardage of 450 yards. It's the XL450. Okay. And I really like it. There's a mode button, but I can't remember what the mode button does because I've never actually messed with it. I've had this for 3 or 4 years. It's pretty comfortable in your hand. You know, just hold it, and 7 yards. Right now, and I'm looking at the doorknob. When you're looking at this, there's a little tiny square in the center. Underneath, it'll tell you the yardage. Above, it'll have an L symbol. It'll tell you what angle that you're at. Okay. This actually has somebody's initials carved into it right there that I didn't realize right here, that I didn't realize until just now. You can find these anywhere from, again, 50 to 75 bucks online. This model itself has the mode button right here on top. I've seen some reviews online where it's on the side. Okay, here's the issue about these, why I like the Simmons more than this. If this goes dead, I have to order this special short battery online and have it shipped to me. If this goes dead, it takes a 9-volt battery. I can go to Walmart and easily buy some. I have some extra 9-volt batteries. So it's like, this one, I can replace the battery real easy. This one, I have to order it online. What I like about this one is the grip. It's got rubber grips on top and bottom. It fits in my hand way more comfortably than this one, but they both work fine. Okay, they both work fine. You used to be able to find this one at Walmart. I don't know if you still can. But like I said, I bought both of these on eBay. And they both work really good. I've used this one hunting on state property. I ranged a deer in an open field at 80 yards and missed it with my 20 gauge shotgun with a rifled slug in it. It works really good. Most of the time, I forget my rangefinders. Okay, like when I was deer hunting opening day of shotgun season last year when I saw those 7 deer with my bow, and I didn't shoot at the deer because I really didn't know how far away it was. If I would have had one of my rangefinders with me, it would have been a different story, and it may have only been 30 yards away. Not sure. So y'all remember, this is just a look at my 2 rangefinders that I have. The Simmons LRF600, okay, which, again, 9-volt battery to power this, a lot more accessible on the batteries to keep it up. The Halo XL450 that takes its own battery that I like a little bit better for the style because it's more comfortable in my hand. It doesn't feel so big, but you have to have a special battery if something happens to it. So that's my honest opinion. They both work really, really well. They both have tilt design in them, so if you're at an angle, it'll tell you what your angle is if you're in a tree stand or something, which could be good for third axis on your bow if you're shooting at an extreme angle. So y'all remember, like, comment, subscribe. Jesus loves you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.